Hello, it's AliMECH. In today's video, I will show you how to clean throttle body on my 2017 Toyota Camry, which is electrical throttle body, and I will do the same on cable controlled throttle body as well, and then start the engine to see if you have any check engine light. So for the cleaner, I will be using CRC throttle body and intake cleaner. Never use any of these cleaners on throttle body. None of them are sensor safe cleaners. Only throttle body cleaner is recommended. But you can use mass airflow sensor cleaner for cleaning throttle body, but you cannot use throttle body cleaner for cleaning mass airflow sensor, so keep that in mind. I don't recommend using shop towel for cleaning throttle body. Sometimes these small pieces fall into the throttle body. I always keep my used microfiber towels. It's been washed and cleaned, and I will be using for cleaning throttle body. Alright, let's start with Toyota Camry, which has electrical throttle body, and it's located here. So for that, we need to remove filter box and intake hose. So let's start with the wire harnesses here. I'm not expecting to have dirty throttle body for two reasons. First, I always change intake air filter on time, and second, I have oil catch can installed on the engine to catch all the oil vapor. So even if it's not that dirty, we're gonna clean it anyway. Alright, after removing intake hose, I'm not gonna bother removing other hoses, so I'm just gonna lock it here so we can work freely. Just like I expected, it's not that bad. Let's get CRC cleaner and put the straw on the nozzle for easy pointing. I'm just gonna spray on the butterfly door and then wipe it off with a microfiber towel. It's important to clean the outside first and then open it and clean the inside, which I will show you in a second. Next, we need to open the electrical throttle body and clean the inside. So for that, I will put the key on position and push the gas pedal. It will open the throttle body without turning on the engine. Because I work alone, and I will use my torque wrench to hold the gas pedal till I clean the throttle body, and it's secured very well with the seat, so it won't slip till I clean the throttle body. So I'm gonna spray some more cleaner on the door edge and then wipe it off with a microfiber towel. That's the important part, when the door closes and there is no carbon between the body and the door, to give accurate airflow. So I did another pass of cleaning just to make sure that I cleaned everything and there is no carbon between the door and the throttle body. Alright, we are done with cleaning. Now I'm gonna release the gas pedal and turn off the ignition. So with using CRC throttle body cleaner and wiping off with microfiber towel, that much dirt came out. Now we're gonna put everything back and start the engine to see if we have any check engine light. Make sure to tighten the intake hose clamp on the throttle body, otherwise you will get error code for that. This process is the reverse of how we remove the filter box. But for some cars you won't need to remove the filter box for cleaning throttle body. But because of the location of throttle body on Toyota Camry, we had to remove the filter box for cleaning throttle body. Alright, moment of truth. Let's start the engine and see if we have any check engine light. Even though I used a lot of cleaner, I'm sure the sensor got wet and we will have a check engine light. The check engine light didn't turn off after starting the engine. We had a hard starting due to that much cleaning in throttle body, but that is what exactly been designed for, and it will burn just like gasoline. So only first start will be like this after cleaning, and then it will get back to normal again. I'm gonna use my CG Solid OBD scanner for you guys to show you what error code you will get if you use a lot of cleaner. So the code is P0102 and it's mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor didn't get wet because it's before throttle body. Just because of the amount of cleaner left in throttle body and late start, it made to throw that error code. So the mass airflow sensor didn't get accurate reading, or I disconnected the wire harness and pushed the gas pedal. One of these two reasons made that code came up. So now we know why it threw that error code. We're gonna erase the code with OBD scanner. And if you don't have OBD scanner, you can disconnect the negative battery terminal or remove ECM, or on some cars ECU fuse to reset the car's computer. So after it burned all the cleaner from throttle body, you should have smooth acceleration. Even I used that much cleaner, which it doesn't need that much, but I wanted to see what happens when I start the engine, so you don't do that mistake. So when you get error code after cleaning throttle body, you either erase with OBD scanner or use ECM fuse. Next, I'm gonna do the same procedure on cable controlled throttle body. On cable controlled throttle body, you don't have risk to damage the throttle body. You can open it by hand and clean it easily. When you see steel cable on throttle body, it's cable controlled throttle body, not electrical. gas pedal pulling that cable from inside and opening throttle body. You will see that on old cars nowadays. Almost all new cars nowadays are electrical throttle body. They have no cables. So I use the same technique, same cleaner, CRC throttle body and intake cleaner for cleaning this cable controlled throttle body. And here you will have no problem opening the throttle body by hand and wiping the inside. Next we're gonna put everything back and start the engine and see if we have any check engine light. So just like I did on a Camry, I used a little bit more cleaner for cleaning throttle body. So let's turn on the engine and see if we have any check engine light. It was an easy start and we have no check engine light. On Camry, throttle body is vertical, so all the cleaner gets inside the throttle body, causes late start and having check engine light. But on this one, not much cleaner gets inside the engine. Even if CRC throttle body cleaner gets inside the engine, it's sensor safe and it won't damage throttle body. Just don't use carb cleaner or a choke cleaner. You will damage throttle body easily. And here's the picture before cleaning how the door edge looks like and after cleaning how it looks like, even though it wasn't that bad. And all that goes to having oil catch can on the system for catching all the oil vapor. I will have some links for the tools I used plus related videos in the video description box below if you wanna check it out. So that's for this video. Hope the video was helpful and learned something new. If it was, like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.